Okay, so I went to the Shed Antique store. So believe it or not, I got this in pieces. The one that I got and didn't get, the one I had my eye on, it was a twisted one. So the base there would have been twisted. So I bought this rod in pieces. So I got in the gold part from a booth for, they wanted $37, so they had it for 40% off. So I got in that for $22.50. I got in the rod out of a totally different booth for like $22. So altogether I got in this for $46.95. So, but these rods, they usually do run pretty high when they're all together like this. So, that's the thing to remember. Because the rod I had my eye on, they wanted, I believe, $150 for it. So, but, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already, and please share the channel as I'm working on getting to 1,000 subscribers. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.